definitely imagine driving your new Mercedes-Benz in the wind, trying out different models and configuration, and even sat through family meetings to decide on the color. Now, it's time to seal the deal and drive away in your dream car. But it's never that straightforward, is it? Are you ready when the unexpected happens? Know which workshop to go to? Oh, and what you're going to drive the next day. What about your increased insurance premiums? What about your car's value when you're done driving? What if you don't have to worry about all that and still enjoy the experience of driving your Mercedes-Benz? Drive away with Mercedes-Benz GO at zero down payment. With no hefty down payment, you can now pursue your other desires. Fly to the coolest island for a lychee martini and invest for your future. Mercedes-Benz GO keeps you on the move. If your car needs to be sent to the workshop, your concierge can arrange everything and even get you a replacement car so you don't break a sweat. When it's time for you to move on to a new car, simply return your car to us. Experience luxury the smarter way with Mercedes-Benz GO.